Okay, Robby here, Dodgy Garage, Mobile DPF cleaning. I'm here in Bristol this morning. Here to take a look at, you won't believe, Land Rover Discovery. So I'm just busy dialing in. The OBD port's there, as it always is. Oh, just turn the radio down. Okay, and we're just busy dialing in. Put that on my lap. Diagnosis. Okay, so just busy doing the scan, and then wherever there's a green module, it's fine. Wherever there's a red one, there's a problem. So the one we're interested in is this one, ECM. There's 14 faults in there. So when it's finished scanning, we'll go in there and take a look. Okay, so we finished scanning. Let's just have a look quickly in HVAC. Nothing there for me this morning. ECM. Nothing there for me this morning. Straight into ECM. Okay, NOx exceedance. NOx monitoring system. NOx sensor, historic, sensor 2. This is historic, so you got to just check. There's historic, there's intermittent, diesel particulate filter efficiency below threshold. And that's historic, intermittent. Okay. So while we are here, we're going to go and have a look at this exhaust. And let's just ooh. That's not what you want to see. That's not what you want to see. Okay, so that is a cracked DPF. Okay, well, we're just going to go in and have a look at the actual pressure inside the DPF before I even think about those other fault codes. Read data stream. I've just got to find the guy I'm looking for, which will be particulate filter, diesel particulate filter pressure measure. We want to have a quick look in there. Okay, it's on PA pascals. We want to go to millibars. We're at 0 millibars. Engine off. Starter up. Oh, this is a manual. Oh my god, it's a manual. Look at that. They're usually automatic. Okay, so 0 millibars on idle. Let me just show you. Vehicle's idling. We're at 0 millibars. Rev her up a bit to 2,000, 2,500. We're at 10. Okay, this DPF is properly cracked. Okay, so unfortunately for this customer, we can clear the fault memory. We can take off the warning lights off the dash, start her up again. We can take off the engine management, which I've done. It's now cleared, believe it or not, just like that. But there is, and it says there are no DTCs, there is nothing further that we can do with this. This is, unfortunately, it's DPF is cracked, and that's why the fault code was there for DPF below minimum requirements. So this one's cooked. New DPF for this customer. I can't go any further. That's it for this morning. Take it easy. See you in the next one.